Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to see how much actual return you are getting from small case and how much it is being displayed in your small case in the app. So most of you must have been investing through small case or must have heard actually about small case. So it's a portfolio management service where it will be a portfolio of stocks where you don't have to do any research. The research team will do, which is be registered, and they will charge a small fees for that. Okay, but that's fine. Small fees we can that is bit affordable. Okay, but the issue is here. Whatever being shown in your small case page, right? Percentage of returns, if you check in your demat account, it's not the same return you are getting actually. So if it's been shown 10%, you will be getting 6% in your actual return in your account. Okay. So I have been investing in small case through customized small case, free and paid. All I have tried. But at the end of the day, after 6 months I'm using, I just checked my actual return, but it is far more less than what is being shown in your small case. Okay, so I'll just show you a small calculation in Excel, so you'll understand. If it's being shown 10%, actually you are getting 6% in your account, or even small less than 6% also. Okay, so let's say I have a small case which is, let's say, okay, so let's ignore the fees, which is around if you are investing around, oh, I think over four thousand, then it will be, I think, 100 plus 18 GST. If the less than that, I think 2.5%, yeah, plus GST. So let's say this is my small case. I have put 10 stocks in my portfolio. Okay. So let's see. I have 10. Okay. So let's first consider you are buying only one unit. Okay. So I'll put some random value so we can calculate. So this is per unit. Okay. So this is 10 stocks I have bought. So what is mine? Actually, I have bought 5,808. Okay. So let's consider you get 10% return for each stock. Okay. In that case, what we'll do? Okay, 10%. So for each stocks, I'll get. Okay, this is my return. So my total return will be 10%, 6,388. Okay. So small case will show you. What small case will show you? Your return is, percentage return is 10%. Okay. Okay. So you will see, okay, but my return is 10%, then you'll be happy. Okay, it's still good. But okay, let's consider the other charges. So if you know the TP charges and all those all charges, which will be, if all these are your equity stocks, then you will be charging around 15.93. If it is ETF, then it will be 9.44. Okay, so we'll consider all our equity stocks. So okay, so you bought one unit, right? So we'll sell it once. So let's say you bought multiple units, let's say two units. So if you sell it at once, then your charge will be 15.93. If you sell it at different time, then your charge will be multiplied into 2, 15.93 into 2. So that will do the calculation later. But let's say we are selling it once. So what will be my charges? My charges will be around 159.3 because 10 stocks. So okay. So now you consider what is your return. Okay. So here is your 10%, right? But actual return now will be, we'll just minus the profit sale value minus the fees. So this is my return. So 6,229.5. So if you consider the percentage return, okay. So first we'll check what is my absolute return. So let's say this one. Okay, so my absolute return 421 and 5. Okay, so let's calculate my what will be my percentage of return. Sorry, this one, this one, and 200. So what is my return? 7.25. Okay, so this is the return you are getting, but small case will show you 10%. So this, if I am buying one stock and selling it once, let's say I bought this, I have two stocks, okay, and I sold it at two different time. Okay, so I am selling it to yesterday and selling it today. So that will be, I'll be charged twice. So it will be 3.96. So you can see it's decreasing. Okay, so it's 7.8. So let's say I have bought this one also, three stocks. This one, two. So I bought, let's say I sold it twice. So it's 7 point. So it's keep decreasing and increasing. So it will never be whatever being shown in your small case. So it will always be around 3 to 4% less. So if you're I mean, you have to consider these factors. So don't go blindly seeing that okay, whatever is displayed in the small case, that is the return you actually getting. Okay, so please take this calculation and consider the actual return. Don't be fooled by seeing the percentage, because I was one of them. Then I calculate, then I understand, okay, this is the thing. But small case will never show you this thing, because it will impact their USP. So I hope you like this video. You get I mean, this will be informative for you. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel. So we'll have good videos like this going forward. Thank you everyone.